Guys, what if I told you you could make a homemade Oreo really, really fast? At least I can. So, I think you grab some chocolate, you grab some whipped cream. There's not this stuff in the middle. So, you're just going to take these and plop them into there. Like, you can open that up. Just take this chocolate, whipped cream, put them in there, and just let them cook. Because this is my magic microwave. So here we go. Oh, okay. And I think they're done. Okay, here we go. Turn off the micro. I told you! Let me get that Oreos. Let me see how many are in there now. That's a pretty good amount. Nice. This does work. So take these.